Right, well today we thought we'd plant up a herb tower. Herbs really useful in the garden, and it's really nice to have a source of them sort of close to the kitchen door where you can come out and just pick them as you need them. This particular project you could actually put anywhere in the garden really. You could put it in your borders, couldn't you, I think?
Quite nice in the border.
Look quite nice. So quite simple really. We've got this strange object which is actually a support which normally goes through a grow bag. You normally have 3 of these, put your grow bag over the top, grow your tomatoes up it. But we thought, oh, we'll reuse this, we'll think of something else for this and use it for this project. You could alternatively, if you haven't got one of these and you're going to put your container, say on grass or on the soil, just literally have a nice strong pole that you knock into the ground first and then build your tower over that. So we're going to start with that. Do watch your eyes when you're doing this sort of thing. Actually a little bit frightened, but you won't see the top of it once you're finished. Now, because it's freestanding, we're going to have a bit of ballast, aren't we, I think?
We do need something heavy on the bottom.
So we've got a pot here.
Full of grit.
I suppose you could just have a heavy compost and, oops, that was sort of caught in it then. Heavy compost instead and plant the bottom as well, but opted for that, so that's nice and strong. Now we're trying to keep away from plastics if we can for this one. And also I think these old terracotta pots just look nice. So I'm going to put that one over there. So again, nice firm base. Now building it before, found it's quite handy just to have an old pot of some sort. Should be terracotta really I suppose, but I couldn't find one, so it is plastic, but we're reusing old plastic here in the bottom, and that's going to give the next layer a bit of support. And now I need a bit of compost, don't I? You seem to have got the mucky job there, Em. I'll grab some as well. Any multi-purpose compost will do. This is just a peat-free one that you can get from any garden centre. So you've got your pot there. We can plant that one up as well in a sec.
Do you want to put a plant in?
We could put plants in
afterwards, the next pot.
We'll put some plants in, shall we, while it's nice and easy to get to. Something trailing.
We've got an Indian mint.
I've not grown Indian mint before, so I'm intrigued with this one.
It's quite nice because it's going to trail. So I'll have that in here.
One in there. Just shove another one of those in. Those trailing plants are probably best for this really. One in that side as well. Cool. Lovely. And we can put our next layer on the top. Should be that way. Just make sure the pot's supported okay. You do need a fair bit of compost, but it's...
Another plant?
Yeah.
What would you fancy? What about a creeping red thyme?
Yeah, sounds good.
Nice.
Got another one of those.
Yeah, should we put that one in?
Yeah, I think you might get 2 in there.
Yeah.
There you go.
The thing is, these are the ones we're putting in now are perennial.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
They will. You can stay for 2 or 3 years in the same pot.
That's right, yeah.
Okay.
Absolutely fine, and they're all hardy as well. So one just sits on the top there. Like that. Whoa. No, we're okay. What are we going to have in that one?
Another one. Golden oregano.
That's good. Nice useful one.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, so you get the idea. We'll keep building like that and until we reach the top. I'll show you what it looks like in a second. So we've finished our tower. It's got a nice collection of whatever herbs you fancy really. We've got some chives and mints and thymes and marjoram in this one. So
it's worth saying that if you've got like 3 herbs you've planted in a pot this size, that after a year you might want to split them up.
yeah, definitely.
And maybe just put one back, or just replant them with some smaller ones. But if you've got a pot, say at the bottom here like this, and just this mint in here, this might last a couple of years in that pot down the bottom.
Bearing in mind you might be sort of picking bits off as well, so you're keeping it.
But all of these are
longer.
perennial and fairly hardy, so put them straight in the garden.
Excellent.